How to clear cache on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can clear cache on Monopoly Go. For this, you want to tap and hold on the Monopoly Go icon. Then tap on this I button. Now it is going to open up in your settings. You want to now scroll down and tap on the storage option. Once you do, you have different options here. Tap on the one that says clear cache. As soon as you tap on this option, the cache on Monopoly Go app will be cleared. However, it is not going to delete any of the data on your Monopoly Go app. If you want to delete the complete data, tap on the clear data option and then tap on the delete option. Once you do that, all the data of the Monopoly app will be deleted and you will have to start from the beginning by logging into your account. And this is how you can clear cache on Monopoly Go. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.